ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत नः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्री महागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ नमः प्रणवार्थाय शुद्धज्ञानैकमूर्तये निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं व्यापि यत्सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। So we finished just two mantras of, right? So did you get a chance to see into that, look into that? Ashish, Shanti, Krishnan.
I listened to the Chelakiri Brothers audio a few times, but that's pretty much it.
So when we were there, we finished up to Tebjo Karandam. Anyway, that you were there. Pramuncha Dhanvanastva Moyora. That's what you have to. That also we finished. Okay, we will do Pramuncha. Okay. Shanti ji, Sunita ji, try that. Pramuncha Dhan.
प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरार्त्नियोर्जाम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वपा अवतत्यधनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षस्य तेषु दे निशीर्य शल्यानां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भवा
Avatatyadhanus. Hindi word, do it once.
Yascha te hasta ishava
Pramuncha. From Pramuncha.
Okay, sorry. Pramuncha dhanvanastva mubhayorapniyorjam. Yascha te hasta.
That rartni. Rartni should come.
Yeah. Dhanvanastva mubhayorartniyorjam. Yascha te hasta ishava parata bhagavo vapa. Avatatya dhanustvagum sahasrakshasite shudhe. Nisirya silyana mukha shivona sumana bhava.
I'm hearing sa for all the shas. That's Nishirya Shalyana Mukha Shivona Sumana Bhava. Sa stick that sha.
Okay. Nishirya Shalyana Mukha Shivona Sumana Bhava.
Pravina ji, do that.
प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरार्त्नियोर्ज्याम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता
Yascha te hasta ishava पराता भगवो वप
याश्छते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वपा अवतत्य धनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षशतेषु दे
अवतत्यदनुस्त्वगं सहस्राक्षशतेषु धे
अवतत्य धनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षशतेषु धे निशीर्य शल्यानां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव
निशीर्य शल्यानां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव
निशीर्य शल्यानां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव
सुमना भव सुमना भव
सुमना भव सुमना भव निशीर्य शल्यानां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव
सुमना भव
सुमना भव सुमना भव
Krishnan, you want to try?
प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरार्त्नि योर्ज्याम् प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरार्त्नि योर्ज्याम् योर्ज्याम् प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरार्त्नि योर्ज्याम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वपा अवतत्य धनुस्त्वगं अवतत्य धनुस्त्वगं सहस्राक्षशतेषु धे निशीर्य शल्यानां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव
Yeah. Ashish, right?
प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोराग्नियोर्ज्याम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वपा अवतत्य धनुस्त्वगं सहस्राक्षशतेषु धे निशीर्य शल्यानां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव.
There is some static in your audio, I think. That's fine. Dhanustvagam only, because there is a sa. Dhanustvagam sahasraksha. Don't have to say na. Dhanus. Okay.
Okay.
That's fine. Shanti.
प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरात् नियोज्याम्
प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरार्त्नि योर्ज्याम्
प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरात् नियोज्याम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वपा अवतत्य धनुस्त्वगं सहस्राक्षशतेषु दे निशीर्य शल्यानां मुखा शिवो
निशीर्य शल्यानां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव.
निशीर्य शल्यानां मुखा शल्यानां निशीर्य शल्यानां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव
मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव मुखा शिवो
मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव
सुमना भव सुमना भव
सुमना भव निशीर्य शल्यानां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव
Okay. Vijyandanoh kapardino vishalyo banavagum uta. Pravina ji, do it. Vijyandanoh
Vidyamdanu
na Vijyanna Vijyandanoh
Vidyandanu
Vijyandanoh kapardino
Kapardino.
After Danuhu, there is a Visarga followed by Ka. So it will be Jiffa Muliya. Vijyandanoh kapardino. The Ha.
Vidyandanu Kapardino. Vidyandanu Kapardino.
Kapardino Vishalyo.
Kapardino Vishalyo.
Banavagum uta.
Banavagum uta.
Banavagum uta.
Banavagum uta.
Vijyandanoh kapardino vishalyo banavagum uta.
Vidyandanu Kapardino Vishalyo Banavagum uta. Vidyandanu Kapardino Vishalyo Banavagum uta.
Sunita.
Vidyandanu kapardino vishalyo banavagum uta. Vidyandanu kapardino vishalyo banavagum uta.
When you are combining Danuhu with Ka, see that there is a Jivva Muliya. Vijyandanoh kapardino. Danoh. Don't split Danuh Ka. Don't say that. It has to smoothly combine with Ka. Danoh kapardino.
Vidyandanu. Something wrong.
Danuk, no? Danuh. It has to come from your throat. That Danuh. Jivva Muliya. That's why it's called Jivva Muliya.
Danuh.
Danuh.
Yeah,
As if it is coming from the throat. The Visarga joining with Ka. That Dukkha.
There's actually a ha there, so it'll be another way to think about it, there is actually a ha there, right? Danuh, and then a ka joins that ha. So it's like ha and ka together. So it will
Yeah.
be like coming from the end of the throat.
Yeah, right.
So Vijyantanu Kapartino. Vijyantanu Kapartino Vishalyo Banavagum Uta.
And then when you're saying that, you don't have to abruptly say Danuk. No. Danuk Kapardino, it has to continue smoothly again after that. Danuk. No. That K, don't have to emphasize on K. Okay?
Yeah.
After
Fine.
Kapardino has to go on. Pardino.
Maybe I need some more practice.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. Hindi vartai.
Vijyandanuh kapardhino vishalyo banavagam uta. Vijyandanuh kapardhino vishalyo banavagam uta.
And then Kapardi is only rasvam. Da. Kapardino. Kapardino. Nana. Kapardi only. There is no daha. There is no.
Did I pronounce what the
Little bit higher.
Okay. Vijyandanuh kapardhino vishalyo banavagam uta. Okay, I'll try to consciously try to put less stress on it.
Krishnan, right?
Vijyandanuh kapardino vishalyo banavagum uta. Vijyandanuh kapardino vishalyo banavagum uta.
Ashish.
Vijyantanu Kapardino Vishalyo
Your audio is low.
Oh, hold on. How about now?
Yeah, good.
Okay. Vijyantanu Kapardino Vishalyo Banavagam Uta. Vijyantanu Kapardino Vishalyo Banavagam Uta.
Shanti. Everybody did it except for Shanti. Yeah.
Vijyandana Kapardino Vishalyo Banavagam Bhuta. Vijyandana Kapardino Vishalyo Banavagam Bhuta.
Ashish, how is it? Why are you laughing? Come on.
Vijyandana Kapardino.
No, Malchapu.
Okay.
Okay.
Because over the weekend he got some good food. He cannot say anything now.
Well, she also rearranged everything in my apartment, so it took all day yesterday to put it back to normal. No, I'm just kidding.
Vijyandana Kapardino Vishalyo Banavagam Bhuta.
So Vishalyo Banavagam Uta.
Vishalyo Banavagam Bhuta.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Vishalyo, right. Vijyandana Kapardino Vishalyo Banavagam Uta. Aneshannasyeshava abhurasya nishangatihi. Aneshannasyeshava abhurasya nishangatihi. Shanti ji, do it. Aneshannasyeshava. Aneshannasyeshava.
Aneshannasyeshava.
Abhurasya.
Abhurasya. Abhurasya.
Abhurasya.
Abhurasya. Abhurasya.
Aneshannasyeshava. Abhurasya.
Aneshannasyeshava. Abhurasya.
Nishangatihi.
Nishangatihi. Nishangatihi.
Aneshannasyeshava. Abhurasya nishangatihi.
Aneshannasyeshava. Abhurasya nishangatihi.
Nishangatihi.
Nishangatihi. Nishangatihi.
Aneshannasyeshava.
Aneshannasyeshava. Abhurasya nishangatihi.
Abhurasya nishangatihi.
Abhurasya nishangatihi. Abhurasya nishangatihi. Aneshannasyeshava. Abhurasya nishangatihi.
Ashish.
Aneshannasyeshava abhurasya nishangatihi. Aneshannasyeshava abhurasya nishangatihi.
Hindi.
Aneshannasyeshava abhurasya nishangatihi. Aneshannasyeshava abhurasya nishangatihi.
Krishna.
Aneshannasyeshava abhurasya nishangatihi. Aneshannasyeshava abhurasya nishangatihi.
Sunita.
अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गतिः अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गतिः
Pravina.
अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गतिः अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गतिः.
Is it the style of your chanting, or I don't know? Is it right? Was it
I
okay?
put Anudata on ye in Aneshanyeshava, I think.
No. Ne is Swarita, fine. Was it good, Indival? Was it fine?
There is some difference, but I'm unable to. Can you do
I'll
it one
do
more
one
time?
more time. Yeah.
Yeah. I was not actually paying 100% attention as well.
Okay. अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गतिः अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गतिः.
I think you are putting some tune there in CA. If I see Anesannasye, so that CA has to go flat. So I think you are adding a little bit of tune over there. Maybe that is why it is we are hearing that one is slightly different from what we are hearing from others.
Okay.
I'll try one more time, Chandra. Anishannasyeshava. Anishannasyeshava.
I think that say there's some other tune is coming in there, but I think it's nothing wrong with, isn't it? Krishnan, how is it?
I think that the na was Anudata is not coming. Probably it's getting shifted to Sia. That's what I'm thinking.
Okay.
It should be Anishan Nasye. So instead you're saying Nasye.
Okay.
Try
I'll
it. Yeah.
try. Anishannasyeshava. Anishannasyeshava.
Anishannasyeshava.
Anishannasyeshava.
Yeah, don't put Anudatam for say also.
Nasye.
Okay.
Nasye.
Only na should have, say should not have.
Nasye. Nasye. Anishannasyeshava. Abhurasya nishangatihi. Did I put again?
Better.
Yeah, this one.
Not better, it was good. Fine.
Okay.
So abhurasya nishangatihi, right? Abhu asya nishangatihi means again he's still praying. The devotee is praying for the weapons to be kept away or having an auspicious form of Shiva even with the weapons, right? So let it be bereft of any power to strike me. Nishangatihi, the scabbard, the sword, right? Nishangatihi. And Kapardini means Kapardinaha means the Lord with that braided Kapardi hair, right? Kapardi, another name for Shiva. Vishalyo Banavagam Muta. Let them be Vishalyo Banavagam. Let them be without arrows.
What is the word form for Kapardini? How is that explained?
Kapardi means one with the matted hair.
Oh, one with the matted hair. Okay.
Shiva.
Oh, okay. I remember his. This one is called as Kapardi. Okay. Yeah, I think I heard somewhere. Okay, got it.
Abhura is what, Chandrasekhar?
Abhurasya. It has two means. Abhuhu means without any power. That scabbard, let it not have any power to strike us. Abhuhu. Asya. Of his. Abhurasya. If you combine, Abhurasya. The scabbard. And then Vijyan Danu. Vijyam. Again, same. Vijyan Danu. The Danu, the bow, let it be without that string. Because if it is with string, there is a fear he might strike. Right? So basically, we are afraid of our karma phalas. Right? We don't know what in store. Let them be without any sting. The future karma phalas. They are only weapons. Right? The weapon. They are only weapons, kind of. They are acting as weapons. So they are asking the karma phala data to neutralize them without any sting, without any power to strike. Right? Vijyan Danu Kapardino Vishalyaha. Vishalyaha means devoid of arrows. Vishalyaha. Banavagum. Right? One with this Banavan. One with this quiver. Right? Abhu Asya Nishangatihi. Not only the arrows, you might have a scabbard, a sword also somewhere. Even that has to be without any power to strike. Right? Okay. Yate hetirmedushthamahaste babhuva edanuhu. Yate hetirmedushthamahaste babhuva edanuhu. Sundaji. Yate hetirmedushtama.
Yate hetirmidustama. Yate hetirmidustama.
That's sa. If you can do it sha, that will be good because that is the right.
Midustama.
Midushtama. Shtha. Shtha. Shanmukha.
Midustama.
Right.
Ya
Yate.
Yate hetirmidustama. Yate hetirmidustama.
Haste babhuva te danuhu.
Haste babuvate danuhu. Haste babuvate danuhu.
Yate hetirmidushtamahaste babhuva te danuhu.
Yate hetirmidustamahaste babuvate danuhu. Yate hetirmidustamahaste babuvate danuhu.
Tayasman.
Tayasman
Vishvatastvamayaksmaya. Wait, okay. Vishvata.
Vishvata
Vishvatastva.
Vishvatastva
Vishvatastvama.
Vishvatastvama
Yakshmaya.
Yakshmaya
Vishvatastvama yakshmaya.
Vishvatastvama yakshmaya
Paribhuja.
Paribhuja
Tayasman. Pause. Little bit of pause. Tayasman Vishvatastvama yakshmaya paribhuja.
Tayasman Vishvatastvama yakshmaya paribhuja. Tayasman Vishvatastvama yakshmaya paribhuja.
Yate hetirmiduštamahaste babhuva te danuhu. Tayasman Vishvatastvama yakshmaya paribhuja.
Yate hetirmidustamahaste babhuvate danuhu. Yate hetirmidustamahaste babhuvate danuhu. Tayasman Vishvatastvama yakshmaya paribhuja.
Krishna.
Or did you call me?
Yeah. Want to do it?
Yeah.
Good.
Yate hetirmiduštamahaste babhuvate dhanuhu. Tayasman vishvatastvama yakshmaya paribhuja. Yate hetirmiduštamahaste babhuvate dhanuhu. Tayasman vishvatastvama yakshmaya paribhuja.
Ashish.
Yate hetirmiduštamahaste babhuvate dhanuhu.
Do it again. Start again.
Yate hetirmiduštamahaste babhuvate dhanuhu. तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा
Hetirme, that has to be nicely just to come out. Hetirme dushthamahaste. It's fine.
Hetirmidhushtamahste.
Yeah.
Like that? Okay.
Hindi word.
या ते हेतिर्मीढुष्टमहस्ते बभूवते धनुः या ते हेतिर्मीढुष्टमहस्ते बभूवते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा.
All the sas again, take care of that. We got habituated to that.
The shwa?
that like a mirushtama and then tayasma vishwa. It is not viswa, it is not viswa, vishwa. Vishwa. V-I-S-H-V-A.
It is always going as
instead of V-I-S-V-A, put V-I-S-H vishwa. Okay.
Tayasman vishvatasvamaya.
Vishvatasvamayakshmaya. Mayakshmaya. Paribhuja. Bhuja. Okay, that's good.
Yeah, I think right from my childhood, I have been using sha as sha.
Many people do visva. Many people do
Visva.
siva.
Yeah, I kind of used to use saying visva, so I think.
Oh, okay. But this in Sanskrit, it is always Vishwa. Who already? Sunita ji did it. Pravina ji did it.
या ते हेतिर्मीडुष्टमहस्ते बभूवते धनुः
या ते हेतिर्मीडुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः
या ते हेतिर्मीडुष्टमहस्ते बभूवते धनुः.
After te, don't give so much of pause because it is in between. Okay, continue. Sorry.
Tayasman Vishvatastvamayaksmaya Vishvatastvamayaksmaya Paribhuja
Paribhuja Paribhuja
Paribhuja Tayasman Vishvatastvamayaksmaya
Vishvatastvamayaksmaya
Vishvatastvamayaksmaya Vishvatastvamayaksmaya Paribhuja Paribhuja
Paribhuja. Ribhuja. Paribhuja means protect. Paribhuja, protect. Shanti.
या ते हेतिर्मीडुष्टमहस्ते बभूवते धनुः या ते हेतिर्मीडुष्टमहस्ते बभूवते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वम तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा
मायक्ष्मया मायक्ष्मया
मायक्ष्मया तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा.
Do the whole thing once. Yate.
याते हेतिर्मीडुष्टमहस्ते बभूवते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा.
Yeah, good, right? Ashish, good. Good, good. Thank you. So ayakshmaya paribhuja vishwatah, from all sides. Vishwatah. Ayakshmayam. Yakshma means disease, pain, the duritas that causes suffering. Ayakshmam, the cause of health. You are that cause of the health. Ayakshmam, opposite of that. The sorrow, pain, the disease. So protect us from all such ayakshmam, yakshamam, from that pain. Vishwatastvam ayakshmaya paribhuja means protect. Heti means again same weapon. O Midushtama. Midushtama, one who gives us happiness. Mida, Midushtama, one who gives us the desired objects or happiness. O Midushtama, protect us from Vishwataha, from all these sources of sorrow, fear, and make us ayakshmaya paribhuja. Okay. Let's complete the first Anuvaka today. If we have time. Okay. Namaste astvayudhaya natataya drishnave. Namaste. Pause. Ashish, do it. Namaste.
Namaste. Namaste.
Astvayudhaya natataya.
Astvayudhaya. Astvayu.
Dhayanatataya.
Dhayanatataya.
Astvayudhayanatataya.
Astvayudhayanatataya.
Drishnave.
Drishnave.
Namaste astvayudhaya drishnave.
Namaste astvayudhaya drishnave. Namaste astvayudhaya drishnave.
Hindi word.
Namaste astvayudhaya natataya drishnave.
Give a pause after namaste.
Okay. Namaste astvayudhaya natataya drishnave. Namaste astvayudhaya natataya drishnave.
Krishna.
Namaste astvayudhaya natataya drishnave. नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे
Sunita.
नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे
Good. Pravinaj.
Namaste अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे
अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे
अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे
Drishnave means that has the potential to strike me. It has the capacity to strike, but he is not going to strike, but he has the capacity to strike. Potential. Drishnave. Shanti, do it.
Namaste अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे.
When you are doing that Dirgha Swarita, you don't have to Drishnave, something like that is coming, but it has to be smooth. You can do it. By practice, you do it. Drishnave, something like that.
Drishnave, Drishnave.
Continue. Ubhabhyamuta, Ubhabhyamuta,
Ubhabhyamuta, Ubhabhyamuta,
Ubhabhyamutate, Ubhabhyamutate,
Ubhabhyamutate, Ubhabhyamutate,
Ubhabhya,
Ubhabhya,
ha, ubha,
Ubha, Ubhabhya, Ubhabhya, mutate,
Ubhabhyamutate,
Ubhabhyamutate,
Ubhabhyamutate, namo, namo, okay, sorry.
Namo, Ubhabhyamutate, Namo,
Ubhabhyamutate, namo, bahubhyan, bahubhyan,
Bahubhyan, Bahubhyan.
You're saying nan, an because next is tha. That's why I'm using nan. Okay. Other it is bahubhyam. Okay. Ubhabhyamutate namo bahubhyan tava.
Ubhabhyamutate namo bahubhyan tava. Ubhabhyamutate namo bahubhyan tava.
Tava dhanvane, tava dhanvane,
Tava dhanvane, tava dhanvane.
Ubhabhyamutate namo bahubhyan tava dhanvane.
Ubhabhyamutate namo bahubhyan तव धन्वने
बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने
बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने
तव धन्वने
तव धन्वने तव धन्वने
Ashish.
उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने
बाहुभ्यां न तव
बाहुभ्यान
yeah
no. Yep.
you got it.
Bahubhyam. Okay.
In the word.
So we're starting from Ubhabhyam, right?
Did we all do namaste or no?
I did last time. Yeah. Ubhabhyamut te namo bahubhyam tava dhanvane. Ubhabhyamut te namo bahubhyam tava dhanvane.
Bahubhyan na bahubhyan tava dhanvane. Na should come there because of the tha, right? Tata na.
Okay, I'll say just one more time. Ubhabhyamut te namo bahubhyam tava dhanvane.
Krishna.
उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने
Sunita.
उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने
Ravina.
उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने
So ubhabhyam bahubhyam is saying both hands. Ubhabhyam means two. Already two is there. Again using two hands. Two. He's afraid. Ubhabhyam already means two. He said, and bahubhyam. Bahubhyam means anyway two hands. Two. So anything is there in these two hands. Bahubhyam tava dhanvane. Any bho, right? Ubhabhyam.
Is he referring to the four hands?
Maybe. Okay. 2 plus 2 maybe. Yeah. So you see, salutation, namaste. Salutations again is praying to Dhanvani, the one who is holding these weapons, right? So the weapon and him are not different. Anyway, we have seen in Vedanta, we see, right? Nimitta Upadana. The material cause is himself, and the efficient cause is also himself. Nimitta Upadana Karanam. We say, right? In Vedanta, the material cause, he himself is the weapon. He himself is in the form of karma phala. He is the karma phala dhata. So, we are praying. Anatataya. Namaste Asthvayu Dhaya Tataya. Anatataya means that which is not. Tataya means that which is targeted. That which has the power to cause harm or something, harm or punish. Anatataya, do not cause, that which doesn't cause harm. Astu ayudha, your weapons should not be targeted at us. Okay. And drishnave, the capacity, you have the capacity to strike, but don't strike us. Ubabhyam utate namo bahubhyam tava dhanvane, your bows. Parite dhanvano heti rasman vrinaktu vishwataha. Sunitari. Parite dhanvano.
Parite dhanvano. Parite dhanvano.
Dhanvano. Dhanvano.
Dhanvano. Dhanvano.
Parite dhanvano.
Parite dhanvano. Parite dhanvano.
Heti rasman vrinaktu.
Heti rasman vrunaktu. Heti rasman vrunaktu.
Vishwataha.
Vishwataha. Vishwataha.
Parite dhanvano heti rasman vrinaktu vishwataha.
Parite dhanvano heti rasman vrunaktu vishwataha. Parite dhanvano heti rasman vrunaktu vishwataha.
Atoya.
Athoya.
Atoya.
Athoya.
Ishudistava. Ishudistavare.
Ishudistavare. Ishudistavare.
Atoya ishudistavare.
Athoya ishudistavare. Athoya ishudistavare.
Asmannidehitam.
Asmannidehitam. Asmannidehitam.
Atoya ishudistavare. Gap, little bit of pause. Atoya ishudistavare. Asmannidehitam.
Athoya ishudistavare. Asminnidehitam.
Asminnidehitam.
Asmanni or
Asmannidehim. Sorry. Asmannidehitam. Sorry. Good.
Asmannidehitam. Asmannidehitam. Athoya ishudistavare. Asmannidehitam.
Parite dhanvano heti rasman vrinaktu vishwataha. Atoya ishudistavare asmannidehitam.
Parite dhanvano heti rasman vrunaktu vishwataha. Athoya ishudistavare asmannidehitam.
Maybe two people can do. Ashish, do it.
Parite dhanvano heti rasman vrinaktu vishwataha. Parite dhanvano heti rasman vrinaktu vishwataha. Athoya ishudistavare asmannidehitam.
Asmannidehitam.
Asmannidehitam. Asmannide अस्मन्निधेहितम् अतो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम्.
After issue this tavare, little bit of a pause, and then asman nidhehitam.
Okay.
Hindi will do it.
परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तु विश्वतः परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तु विश्वतः अथो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम् अथो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम्.
She'll all do it. Okay. Let's others also do it. Krishna do it.
परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तु विश्वतः अथो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम् अस्मन्निधेहितम् परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तु विश्वतः अथो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम्.
Praveen do it.
परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तु विश्वतः अथो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम् अस्मन्निधेहितम् अथो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम्.
परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान्
परिते धन्वनो
परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृषक्तु विश्वतः परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तु विश्वतः अतो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम् अतो
chant once more.
अतो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम्.
Yeah. Ishuddhi ista tava are. Are means enemies. Place them on them, not us. Our enemies means our own internal enemies. Right? Our kama krodhas are our enemies. Okay. Place those arrows on us. Ishuddhi tava are. Are means Arishad Vargam, we said. Arishad Vargam, you remember? In Vedanta Vita. Arishad Vargam. The sixfold enemies. Shad, six. Ari means enemies. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. External enemies as well as internal enemies. Place them on them. Parivrunaktu. Avoid on us. Okay. So this actually ends the first Anuvaka. And after that, there is as a convention, in Rudram they add this. Namaste astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya. We always chant it. You must know. It is not part of Rudram, but as a convention, it is added to this Rudram. We'll do that next time. Okay. But the first Anuvaka ends at Asmannidehitam. We'll see you next Thursday. Om Tat Sat. So your still Thursdays are still busy, Krishnan?
Yeah, for two more Thursdays.
Ah, okay, fine.
Thank
Hari
you.
Om. Sorry, we took 5 more minutes. Hope you also enjoy our chanting.
Pitta. No problem.
Now they are going to teach you now. They are becoming experts in teaching. So. Rudram, there you should learn from our friends. Okay. Who wants to chant? Gita Dhyana, first shloka. Sadhvi, you want?
Sure. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
I said Jnana Shlokam.
Just sounds good. Om Partaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swaram Vyasena Kratitam Puranamuna Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavashinim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadyayini Ambatvamanusandadami Bhagavad Gita Bhavatvashini.
Sudhiri, chant from 15. Start with 15.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः सांख्ययोगः श्रीभगवानुवाच यं हि न व्यतयन्त्येते पुरुषं पुरुषर्षभः यं हि न व्यतयन्त्येते पुरुषं पुरुषर्षभ समदुःखसुखं धीरं सोऽमृतत्वाय कल्पते.
Shanti, next one.
नासतो विद्यते भावः नाभावो विद्यते सतः उभयोरपि दृष्टोऽन्तः त्वनयोस्तत्त्वदर्शिभिः.
Ashish.
अविनाशी तु तद्विद्धि येन सर्वमिदं ततं विनाशमव्ययस्यास्य न कश्चित् कर्तुमर्हति.
Okay, in Vedic chanting you can use midam tatam, but I think Swamiji is using midam tatam. So you use when you're teaching the children, yena sarva midam tatam. That's what Swamiji is
Midam m.
Midam also is perfectly fine. But
Okay.
to follow Swamiji.
Okay.
If Swamiji is using midam, you use midam.
Okay.
We did 18, right? Sunila, you do the 17th one.
अविनाशि तु तद्विद्धि येन सर्वमिदं ततं विनाशमव्ययस्यास्य न कश्चित् कर्तुमर्हति.
Pravina, you want to do the next one?
अन्तवन्त इमे देहाः नित्यस्योक्ता शरीरिणः अनाशिनो प्रमेयस्य तस्माद्युध्यस्व भारत.
We did up to 18, right?
Yes, Chandraji, 18 we did.
Indiva, do 18.
अन्तवन्त इमे देहाः नित्यस्योक्ता शरीरिणः अनाशिनो प्रमेयस्य तस्माद्युध्यस्व भारत.
So, tasmad didhyasva bharata. So, therefore, fight. Why therefore? Because of the therefore what? Why therefore?
All these things said.
All these things combined. Okay. No, don't ask what are all these things combined. It is really good.
But it is funny, like Brahma Satyam Jagat Mithya, so go and fight. You know?
No. But if, yeah, for our studies, we are going a little deeper. But you, okay. So because in that context, existence, sat, nasato vidyato, that Brahma Satyam, we added that interpretation. Added means that it all into Vedantic interpretation. So even if you are thinking that sat does not be absent anytime, the future or past. Only asat is as though there. Nasato vidyato bhava. That's what you're trying, right? That's it. Okay. Existence is always there. Existence, when you see this book, it has two things. Book plus existence. Right? So when the book is just, let's not use Vedic chanting book. Pot plus something else is there. When I hold the pot plus existence. When the pot breaks, what broke?
Pot broke.
Only pot. The pot, I gave the namakaranam called pot to it. It was earlier, it was clay. Clay was always there, existent. So existence didn't break. You are thinking Bhishma, Drona is going to not exist. That's why your sorrow, right, Arjuna? Therefore, no, that is not the case. That is a Mudha thinking. That is your Mudha. That is your foolish thinking. So it is for fight. You are not right going to lose anything. Existence will always be there. Nasato vidyate bhava, nabhavo vidyate satah. Okay. Next one. So up till now, 5 features of Atma were presented. One is Atma, Nitya, Satya, Sarvagataha, and in the last verse, Antavanta imedeha, Aprameya. We have seen Aprameya also, right? So 5 features were given up till now. So this is the second chapter, 11 to 25, 12 to 25 exactly, is the cream of Upanishads. It is the whole, this is the foundation on which the next 16 stories are developed. What are the 16 stories? Next 16 chapters.
16 chapters.
Right? This is the foundation. Okay. Actually, from 12 to 25 is the crux of Vedanta. Whole Vedanta is Upanishad Sara is there. So 5 features: Atma Nitya, Atma Satya, Atma Sarvagataha. That Sarvagataha word is from verse 17. Yena Sarvamidam Tatam. Tatam was there, right? Sarvamidam Tatam. And then in verse 18, Aprameyaha. It's always It is never an object of experience. Aprameya. Wait. Ya enam vetti hantaram. Sadhvi, do it.
Ya enam veti hantaram. 2 times. Oh, ya enam veti hantaram.
Yes, chainam manyate hatam.
Yaschenam manyate hatam. Yaschenam manyate hatam.
Ubhau tau na vijanitah.
Ubhau tau na vijanitah. Ubhau tau na vijanitah.
Nayam hanti na hanyate.
Nayam hanti na hanyate. Nayam hanti na hanyate.
Ya enam vetti hantaram. Yaschainam manyate hatam. Ubhau tau na vijanitah. Nayam hanti na hanyate.
Ya enam veti hantaram. Yaschenam manyate hatam. Ubhau tau na vijanitah. Nayam hanti na hanyate.
Shruti.
ययेनं वेत्ति हन्तारं
Vetti.
ययेनं वेत्ति हन्तारं यश्चैनं मन्यते हतम् उभौ तौ न विजानीतः नायं हन्ति न हन्यते
Ubhau tau na vijanitah.
उभौ तौ न विजानीतः नायं हन्ति न हन्यते
Ashish.
य एनं वेति हन्तारं यश्चैनं मन्यते हतम् उभौ तौ न विजानीतः नायं हन्ति न हन्यते
Indeed.
ययेनं वेत्ति हन्तारं यश्चैनं मन्यते हतम् उभौ तौ न विजानीतः नायं हन्ति न हन्यते
Sunil.
य एनं वेत्ति हन्तारं यश्चैनं मन्यते हतम् उभौ तौ न विजानीतः नायं हन्ति न हन्यते
Shanti.
ययेनं वेत्ति हन्तारं यश्चैनं मन्यते हतम् उभौ तौ न विजानीतः नायं हन्ति न हन्यते
Last line again.
उभौ तौ न विजानीतः नायं हन्ति न हन्यते
Hanti. Right? Pravina.
Ya enam vetti hantaram yascheinam manyate hatam ubhau tau na vijanitaha nayam hanti na hanyate.
So another feature is added. This akarta abhokta feature. Killed is neither killed nor the killer, means it is not the bhokta or karta. Abhokta, akarta feature is added in this 19th. Okay, we'll do the next one. Then 2 more, 3 more minutes, 4 more minutes. Again, the meter is trishtuk, changed a bit, right? Sunita ji. न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित्
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित्
नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः
नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः
अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः
अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः
न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे
न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे
आशीष
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे
साबी
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे
श्रुति
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित्
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित्
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः
भविता वा न भूयः
नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः
what was it was it right
Bhuyah. There is no dirgham there. There bhuyah.
भूयः
न भूयः वा न भूयः वा न भूयः
वा न भूयः
भूयः va na bhuyah, va na bhuyah, nayam bhutva bhavita va na bhuyah, va na bhuyah, va na bhuyah. Like
नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यशाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः
अजो नित्यशाश्वतोऽयं शाश्वतोऽयं
अजो नित्यशाश्वतोऽयं नित्यशाश्वतो
नित्यशा की another you add sha
नित्यशाश्व
yes, because after nityaha there is a visarga followed by sha, so nityashashva.
अजो नित्यशाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः अजो नित्यशाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. Tune is lost.
The tune is gone, but okay, it's got. Do it again.
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यशाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
Yeah, okay. I mean, tune need not have to be perfect. Same, but you got the words right. By listening, you will get it. Pravinaji, do it.
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
Same, tune is different. Ashanti ji, but that's okay.
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
Up till the third line, I thought you were going to get FTR.
That's how it should be.
That's okay. You got it, but okay. Na hanyate hanyamane ajaha nityah shashvatah, unborn nityah, eternal, right? Nityam, shashvatam, eternal, nityam, permanent, changeless. Shashvatoyam Puranaha, most ancient. We are talking about who? All these is for who? Wait.
Not for body.
Yeah, for who?
For the self.
And where is the self?
You.
We're talking about ourselves now. Oh, don't be talking about Atma somewhere in the cloud. No, here now for us. Talking about us. Okay. Tomorrow, I think we're doing break rooms. I think only 2 are enough, I think, for the, right? So, Sunita ji and Ashish will be in that lower grade. And me. Oh, no, Ashish is in the upper grade, right?
Yeah, I'm in the upper grade.
Right. Okay. That's for now. It is enough, I think. As if we require, we'll add more sevaks. So we keep practicing. Okay. Maybe if on Saturday, the flyer is ready for the Saturday classes, if we require more, then we will draw more from the sevaks. But we didn't float the flyer yet, I think. Right?
It will be up today. It does. The thing is, the registration form has to be reviewed. So once that is there, we can link it up and flyer is ready.
Okay. Asad, we do the Shanti Bar.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kasyit Dukkha Bhaveet Asato Ma Satkamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Mritangamaya Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shantish Shantish Shantihi Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om.
And Purna Madaf, if we can do it, good. Upadmaniya, right? Purna Madaf, Purna Midam.
And then you don't have to give a gap there. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Yeah, do not have to do the gap, right? Hari Om.
Hari Om, thank you.
Thank you. Hari Om. See you next.
Thank you.